Hey guys, Leif here from iTech Office National. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you a very exciting new feature on our website called the Digital Catalog. So when you get to the website, you can see this banner at the top. It says 2022 Digital Catalog. It's just the first one. I'll click back on that. And you can also see the link to it down here in the middle, to the digital catalog. And basically when we click on this, you will see that this is a identical digital copy of the hard copy catalog that you are already familiar with. So the reason for this is that you can browse it online, you can compare it with your hard copy catalog if you still like to use that one. And I'm going to show you now some of the features that you can, and how easy it is to order from this digital catalog. So once you get this preview, you can see you've got some buttons along the top here where you can go home, thumbnail, images. You can go to a specific page or scroll through pages. This one, just for this demonstration, I'm going to go into the full screen so I can show you a bit better. And you can see that's the front page of the catalog. If I just scroll through to the next few pages, you can see that it's the same as the hard copy catalog. But if we go to, and if you wanted to go to a certain page, just type that into the top here. And the nice thing about this digital catalog is if you click on one of these products, you can see that it's highlighted. I can click on one and it pops it up with the online website product. So you can see that there. I can enter my quantity and just add to the cart. And I can now close that product window at the top right, and I will get back to my catalog. So there you go. I can go to the next page. If I wanted to go to a page, just a note also about the page numbers. If I wanted to go to, I would highlight and write that out. If I want to go to 256, for example, and hit enter, I now go to that page there. Just notice it's a little quirk in the catalog at the moment. I typed in page 256. There's a 2-page gap in there. So when I type in 256, I actually go to page 254. So there's just a 2-page gap in there. And the reason for this is very simple. It's just that page 2 and 3 of the catalog are not numbered. So that's how you get 2 more pages in there. But for example, if I'm interested in these Marbig Foolscap files, I can simply click on the product and add it to my cart. Also remember, you can add it to your favorite list for recurring orders to make it even easier. And once you've added that to your cart, you can then close out and keep browsing. So this is a really nice handy new feature. You no longer have to key in the codes when you're looking in the hard copy catalog, and it's just a lot smoother and a lot more efficient ordering. So thank you very much for watching. Hope that was useful.